What is the function of a breadboard in Arduino circuits? Which serial function moves to a new line? Arduino Uno uses which microcontroller? What is the function of a LDR in Arduino circuits? What is the purpose of the analog reference function in Arduino? What is the function of a resistor in Arduino circuits? What is the purpose of the millis function in Arduino? What is the file extension of Arduino sketch files? Which statement is used to stop a loop in Arduino? Which board is not made by Arduino? Is not made by Arduino. What is the function of a capacitor in Arduino circuits? What function is used to output high or low on a digital pin? Purpose of the map function in Arduino. What is the purpose of setup in Arduino? What does digital read return? Of a servo motor in Arduino circuits. What voltage does Arduino Uno typically operate at? Which of these is not an Arduino board? Function is executed only